We're really getting dirty here, guys. What's going on, guys? My name is Mike Cherman. I'm the founder and creative director of Market, and we are here today for my design freestyle. We are in our random workshop. So this is in the Market HQ here in Eagle Rock, California, where we test every concept from idea to final creation. It's all about getting our ideas made at the speed of the internet. So that's where all these ideas happen here at Market. It's a box. The handles are pretty nice, they're cold. All right, we got a pair of pants. Looks like we got some guides for where we can print. Okay, we got a screen print air dry kit from our friends at Individualist. We got mac and cheese. I feel like there's like some twisted reason that you put this in here, but I don't know, so we'll see. I mean, I've watched this show too many times, so, oh my God, there's a spider. What am I invited to? Damn. Mike's bar mitzvah. The story about this one is that I had a bar mitzvah when I was young, you know, turning 13, so I become a Jewish man. My parents decided to do a t-shirt at that bar mitzvah that just said Mike with a Nike swoosh. And we got our, you know, glove kit from our boys at Individualist, and we got our blank work pants. Ooh. This is what we're gonna decorate today with our screen print kit that you can see right here. Individualist is our good friend Tech. He's been making these amazing kits that come with a screen, come with the actual inks and everything that you need, and then the gloves and actual different squeegees for you to actually pull your prints. And so it's just stuff like this, guys, that you're gonna continue to see from our line of Market University, whether it be kits for online Photoshop usage, for DIY, and really just giving you, the designer, the tools for you to do it yourself. Let's make ourselves a custom pair of pants. I never found out why I have this.
They told me you love mac and cheese.
You know what, dude? They're like hanging on to like an 8-year-old memory here. You know what we do need? We need tape. The tape is basically because you're gonna put ink onto this screen. Anything that goes to this clear area is going straight through the screen. So you wanna be able to tape off your edges, so all of the edges of the screen, in order to make sure that, you know, the ink won't come out, it won't end up on your garment. I think what I'm going to play with is the ideas are everywhere concept. We got our gloves, we got our squeegee, and we have our inks. I think I'm gonna start to keep everything kind of monochrome. I might add some color as we go on. Let me grab my squeegee. We'll flood the screen first, so I'm gonna roll it over, and then I'm gonna pull. I think I got a little bit of a crappy print here, but let's see. There you go, guys. That's not a great print. The biggest thing is just holding that screen down. So this time I'm gonna really give some real love to it. All right, let's see if my focus paid off. A lot better. And then I think I'm gonna have a little bit of fun with this, just like finger paint action. I'm breaking screen printing rules. We're going a little DIY here. I think all my screen printing friends would bury me for doing this. I feel like I'm just gonna go collage crazy with this. Cool. I really like this scissor guy, so we're gonna play with that icon, kind of balance it out with our ideas are everywhere, dude. I'm kind of thinking about how it goes across the garment in multiple different ways. So I'm gonna bring more of this black ink into the screen. I'm trying to hold this down, although I don't know how confident I am myself. And I think we're just gonna hit a couple more times. I'm gonna go a little quick. Again, this is very DIY. I do not recommend you guys doing it like this at home. Okay. Just keep pushing it. So, you know, we're having fun here, and that's all that matters. I'm pretty stoked with how it's looking, I think, at the moment. I think we got a pretty cool pair of pants here, but we're not finished. I think what we're gonna do is add some color in here. I kind of want these to feel a little bit like painter pants in a little bit of a way, or like as if someone had kind of splatter them out a little bit. Just kind of hit it a little bit as if it's like little quick marks. I already broke the thing. This is not about following the traditional rules. We're trying to break them and bend them a little bit away. You know, we're able to then take this one-off sample, photograph it, pull the artwork off of the pant, and then be able to make something from this. I think we'll get like a little hits of yellow, and then I think we'll do the last hits of red, very sparingly. I think to look at how we did, I'd say we did all right. I mean, maybe a little bit of over the edge. I think we can clean that up for production. How do we take these kind of test concepts and now scale them into wearable products? It should feel like it was literally made by hand, that someone just tested it, took a bunch of tools, and made that final product. Ryan is the king of production. Oh, Ryan is the king of production. Usually when I go beyond the boundaries that you see here, Ryan comes in and he slaps my hand. How did I do?
Looks special.
He's gonna kill me later. So guys, these pants are named the Tester Pants, kind of inspired by all the different tester t-shirts that I saw working at Look Studio. All the screen print operators take a t-shirt, do all their different test prints on it, and you're covered with all these different kind of concepts and prints. So to me, this is a fun little homage to that. All the prints are not perfect, but that's what makes these pants so perfect all in itself. Guys, I'm super excited for you guys to have the chance to purchase these pants right now on market.com. Thank you for watching my design freestyle. I'm Mike Cherman. I'm the founder and creative director of Market. Go cop these pants.